Hey everybody, Coach P here. Want to talk about rebuild in the GPS line. You know, if you were to ask me as an old coach, the single greatest missed opportunity to increase your physical performance, whether you're an athlete or just the average person trying to live a long, healthy life, the single greatest missed opportunity is in the recovery of your body after activity. Rebuild is a product designed to satisfy just the requirements needed to build lean tissue, to remove toxins from the body, to make you feel good the next day so you want to be active again. Treat yourself like an athlete, because this is what athletes do. When your muscle shrinks, your world shrinks. So my whole issue has been whether it's gaining muscle or retaining muscle, you need to pay attention to your muscle. And again, that takes us back to a wonderful product like Rebuild. What's in it? It's a 1-to-1 ratio of protein to carbohydrate, which is what's needed. You don't need more sugars than that. Some companies put in 4-to-1 carb to protein, way too much. It's 1-to-1, that's all you need, only 180 calories. We put in branched chain amino acids to support the existing proteins, 2 grams of creatine so that your body gets to recover as quickly as it can. Only 6.5 grams of sugar. This product is something you definitely want to put in your arsenal for health, long-term health. If you want to look like an athlete, you want to treat yourself like an athlete, and you certainly are that. You are created to move, therefore in my mind, I hope in your mind, you are an athlete. Consider Rebuild. Take it within 30 minutes after activity. You can use water, you could use almond milk, you could use coconut milk, you could use non-fat milk, but I prefer water because then there's no competing ingredients to slow down the absorption. It's not that it's not good for you, it just slows down the absorption. So again, that's how you take it. Don't miss that opportunity. Get that product in your body. I want you to live a long, healthy, productive life, and this product is part of that equation. Good luck.